So we're here with Jörn from Pentax, and did I say it right?
It's actually Jörn from Ricoh.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
you know, Ricoh recently bought Pentax, so Pentax is now... Yeah, okay, so there you see. But
okay, let's start over. All right, so I'm here with Jörn from Ricoh, and we have the new GR3, which is kind of a cult classic for street photography. What's new about this new model with the GR3?
Well, actually, you know, some of the facts that are new, and the basic one is actually the image stabilization system. So we have a 3x image stabilization system inside, and we have a new sensor built-in. So like 24 megapixel for the new camera, which is really awesome because your content gets much richer now in terms of solution this kind of stuff.
What was the resolution of the GR2 again?
This one was actually 20 megapixel, so that's new, and we just increased that. We also have now a new autofocusing system inside, which is a hybrid system. So we work with contrast and phase autofocusing, which is also pretty nice because your content gets now much faster in the focus point that you need for it.
Do you still have that amazing feature that everybody loves about the snap autofocus?
Of course, it's still inside and still properly working, and you know, people are so crazy about that because they love that. And as you can see, I mean, the camera got smaller.
Really?
So you have a smaller housing there, but anyway, all the functions are still available. It's still a one-hand camera device, so it's so convenient in using for any devices and any purposes you want to work with it.
I imagine we still have an advanced, newer Wi-Fi or Bluetooth system to connect with your mobile phone?
It's getting faster, it's getting bigger, it's getting so much better now. So, you know, everything is much better about this camera than, you know, the previous versions, of course.
As it should be. Do you have any availability on the price or the timing that it'll be coming out to market?
Actually, you know, I wish I would have, because then I could earn so much money with it, because it's one of the most asked questions here on the booth of us. It's all not confirmed yet, so I can't say anything about that.
If you're not aware, the GR system is a crop sensor APS-C style camera. We've got a 2.8 18mm lens on there, which is roughly a 28 millimeter equivalent.
Around 28 millimeters, so ideal for, you know, street shot and this kind of stuff. But you also can crop like to 35 millimeters and equivalent 50 millimeters later on. So that's all possible again with this camera too. You also have these amazing art filters inside, like the black and white filter, which is also so famous for the GR version. And that's all built in there too.
What about video on the GR3? Is it more advanced than the previous version?
You know, we still work with full HD. We go now up to 60 seconds and full frame.
60 frames per second?
Yeah, 60 frames per second. So that's quite nice actually now about the camera. But still, you know, it's a photo camera. It's done for photos, it's done for stills. But now you also have the ability of working with this in terms of doing videos with 60 frames per second.
So there's no mic input jack on here to put a microphone?
Unfortunately not.
Do you know if the phase detect autofocus is applying to the video as well, so you have really good autofocus for video?
Actually, I hope they did, because this is something people always ask about the new camera, because they wish to have that. But it's not confirmed yet, so let's see what future will bring.
Great, well, we're gonna definitely have to pick one up and review it on our channel. Maybe you can connect us to your US distributor to get one of those. No, I'm just messing. But anyways, we're real excited about the GR3. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.